In the last episode we visited Milan and I showed you the Duomo, after which I went to give the Toro a proper vasectomy. After Milan we headed to Florence, where we explored the famous Uffizi Museum and roamed around Firenze with a bicycle with my guide Lorenzo, who did an amazing job showing me the city. Today it's time to cook and drink fermented grape juice.
What do you think? Somewhere is 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. This is Francesca, who was not only an awesome chef but also amazing host. We prepared the dough for the pasta and let it rest while we made some amazing bruschetta so we can pair it with the wine that Francesca served us. If you are Italian watching this, don't kill me, but I don't remember what kind of wine we drank. Then it was time to actually make the pasta. It was a back-breaking work, so we had to finish the bottle of wine before we continue.
Salute, guys.
Moving on to prepping the gnocchi, which to my surprise was made of potatoes. Yes, we had more wine. Pasta got served. And we finished with a delicious dessert. And yes, limoncello because, well, perché no?
And you put on YouTube?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
I'll send you the video.
I'll be famous.
Ah.
Thank you so
Well,
much.
grazie,
Cristian.
Francesca.
Grazie a te, nice to meet you. Ciao bella, è stato un piacere. Se ritornate a Firenze chiami, va bene?
What I like to say about from a glass of wine, we can get all sort of information from just looking at the glass of wine. We can understand if a wine is old or young, is high in sugar or low in sugar. And also it can come by high latitude or low altitude.
After cooking, it is time to get familiarized with all that buzz around fermented grapes. It is like a thing in Italy, people seem to like them, I don't know why. We learned how to pair different wines and how to recognize different notes, and we also got drunk. Overall, I would recommend to everyone who visits Italy to go to a cooking class and to a wine tasting class. It is just the thing to do in Italia. The next day we headed towards the small village of Vinci, located about 30 miles or 50 kilometers from Florence. Leonardo di Ser Piero da Vinci, born in 1452, was an Italian polymath who was active as a painter, draftsman, engineer, scientist, theorist, sculptor, and an architect. While his fame was initially rested on his achievements as a painter, he has also become known for his notebook in which he made drawings and notes on a variety of subjects including anatomy, astronomy, botany, cartography, painting, and paleontology. Leonardo was fascinated by the phenomenon of flight for much of his life, producing many studies including the Codex on the Flight of Birds, as well as plans for several flying machines such as the flapping ornithopter and a machine with a helical rotor that most of you maybe know. Overall, it was a cute little village. We couldn't get into the museum or into the house of Da Vinci because it was not open due to COVID restrictions in 2021. After that, we made a short trip to Siena. We checked out the Duomo. By now you must know every Italian city has a Duomo. What made an impression on me is how quiet the streets were. It really feels like a ghost town. There's like no sound, no people. Oh, we saw one person. And how steep the whole city was. You even needed an escalator to go up. Alright, we saw the Duomo, we had coffee and breakfast, and it's about 2 hours and a half, it's 230 kilometers to Rome. And yeah, we're just heading out. In the next episode, we will explore the city of Rome, we will learn how to make pizza, and we will visit the Vatican City. I hope you enjoy my journey, guys, and if you do, a simple way to support the channel is to hit like and sub. Leave me a comment down below what thing you did or you want to do while visiting Italy.